This is the gift that I received from Morio Sensei from Okinawa. You can see this traditional Okinawan guitar, and it's supposed to be this fruit, potato, this red potato, and this other one inside, and it's just so precious that I had to take a video of it. Also because the box is so beautiful. You are supposed to eat it before 6th of January 2019, so it is really now. And oh, here it shows exactly how it looks inside. The design is also so beautiful of the package, you know. So let's see what's inside these 3 types of fruits.Ja-jang! Fashion Candy's Okinawan Sweets Collection. Look how pretty each of them is. This one is Yuzu. It's a type of lemon orange that Japanese love for the peel. So actually the skin will be used. Then this one is this red sweet potato. And then we have the yellow sweet potato. So these are, and they look so elegant and gorgeous. It's like I even feel sorry to open them because the package is just so classy, you know. So let's check out the yuzu one. Looking delicious. It's like a pie underneath, and probably it's topped with this yuzu cream. So let's see. So delicious. It's like cheesecake that was mixed with this orange peel or yuzu peel on top. Not crazy sweet. So, and I should even try to put this in the toaster and see how it is if it's warmed up. Okay, next let's try this purple potato. Ja-jang! And you see on the back side is this, you're not supposed to eat it, and it's to keep it dry like a silica gel. See, do not eat. So you can see the color is different because of this potato. It's brown. This one also absolutely delicious. You can totally distinguish the flavor, the perfume, you know, the flavor of this red potato. Something like a pumpkin cake but with a little bit of berry flavor to it. And let's try the last one, the yellow potato. Dang! This is more wetty, creamy, and soft, very soft compared to the other ones. The distinguishable flavor of these traditional Japanese sweets. And see, the pie is not thick, it's just a little. So in order for you to enjoy more of the topping, here they are. I put them all in the toaster, and as you can see, the pie texture becomes much more visible. They become softer and kind of oilier, and just, I don't know, the toaster didn't manage to make them like super hot. I would really love them to be super hot. Anyhow, the upper this upper thing, see, it's very crumbly like this. And yes, very traditional Japanese sweets. Basically potato on bread. Here is the line up of these 3 different flavors of these Okinawan cakes. Lemon yuzu, and red sweet potato, and yellow sweet potato. And I'm so happy and so honored to have had the chance to try this, brought all the way from Okinawa by the greatest karate master alive, Sensei Higaonna Morio.